대해서 웃고 있었다는 것을 생각하면 더없이 행복해요. 이 세상에서 편하지 않았다면 저는 지금 이 기쁨을 비롯한 여러 감정을 느낄 수도 없었고 방탄을 좋아할 수도 없었겠죠. 살면서 많은 일을 겪었던 저는 세상에서 대한민국 가장 행복한 감상을 생각하고 있어요.
Look, we're rising off the floor. Jim and me. Oh my! We can fly.
You can fly.
We can fly.
Think of a wonderful thought. 신선이 일부러 배운 거 아니야? 아니 어떻게 여권을 모르냐?
I ask myself, what am I doing here?
We don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just search to find the one you've been you've been looking for. I wish you that I know that wasn't me. Because even after all the time I still wonder why I can't move on. Just doing you this so easily.
Jack. Jack. Jack.
Jack.
Jack, come back.
There's a book, Jack.
Jack, come back.
Because Jack. Sorry, we're BTS. 야, 정부이라고 다 나올 수 있는 거 아니야?
We're talking about the young people's lives, like every day, like us, like you. So, I think there is a specific contemporary characteristic for the young, between all the young people in the world. And thanks to our fans, they translate our lyrics and our interviews into their languages, and that's how could they resonate and could feel the same feelings with us, and that's why they pay attention to us and the performances, of course.
My century of bird is Seagull. Yeah, it's Justin Seagull.
Justin
Seagull.
Damn, JB, where the hell you been? Yeah, I got a new necklace, diamonds,
I want Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
I love Justin Bieber. I like Justin Seagull.
Bieber, Seagull.